Hi, building kernels does not only require some knowledge but also some power. And this is an older machine, and I just tested the script that I have on github.com ArcoLinux Nemesis personal settings kernel. The only thing I do is run this thing, and the result is an ZST. Let's have a look. 14.1 megabyte and a headers of 28.1. So it takes on this machine 6 minutes 29, and the other one, the newer one, was 4 minutes. But still, it's a lot well, faster than it was on the obvious 2300 at such number, I don't know, 20 or something, in the 20s I think, was an hour of building of a kernel. So by using the extra package that's called modprobe-db, we could cut in time, and not only in time but also in size. So check out this one, the wiki archlinux.org, title modprobe-d database. And the only thing I'm gonna do now is install these two guys and, well, use it. So we're gonna go for a sudo pacman -u linux. Well, let's clean up, and then it makes more sense to you. This is where everything is downloaded. This is where everything is built. So this is where the packages are, what's going to happen. Inside user, you'll get a library with modules, and in here everything is available. But not everything, right? This is so much less than what normally is there because we eliminated so many modules. So all of this can go, this is hidden, can go, config last can go, signing things can go. This is the actual Linux thing. This is the patch for the Linux thing to become an Xanmod. So these two guys is all that it's about. And number 5. And the other guy is Linux Xanmod Edge headers. Voila, I install both of them. The other one I had not installed yet, so that's installed as well. I made some different choices, I guess. -0.07 in that regard. So there's still some, if you build the kernel with our script that's on data ArcoLinux Nemesis in personal settings kernel, run this, then run this. Well, this actually, I hope I did not put that online, way too big. So this one needs to go again. That's the only thing you need, is a script to actually create the Linux Xanmod Edge, and I'll play around with it for a while. Never is for a system that you, that's the real thing, real metal thing, or your server or whatever, important computer system. Try it out first on something else. If it works fine, you can move on to the other, but always make backups before you try anything of like installing NVIDIA, installing Linux kernels, right? Always have a backup, and then you can try it out. All right, cheers. Before I leave, it's an opportunity to show you something what I just have made aware by a user on the Xanmod kernel on YouTube, and it's fine print, but it's there. Note: the current proprietary NVIDIA VirtualBox, VMware Workstation Player, and some other DKMS modules built do not officially support client Edge or RT kernels. So yeah, if this is a machine that has Intel, right? No NVIDIA whatsoever near here, so I can easily switch from kernel and have no problem having Xanmod kernel right now, and it's working just fine. So it all depends what hardware you have, if you run into issues or not. Beware, take care, be safe, make backups. Cheers.